That orange that you see is from the street light. It's not a fire. See? Right now it's actually pretty mellow. Our porch is flooded. I've knocked out the water of that silver dish 4 times already. These are just some of the front yard trees. Listen to the sound. And yet people still drive in it. I don't see why these idiots are still out there driving around. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. It's nature. But, man, you wouldn't catch me driving out in there. I'm waiting for another good gust of wind. I think we're coming up on one now. Yeah, here it comes, right here. As you may see, the swales are they're flooded. We have a broken limb in the back. Oak tree prevented it from hitting the deck. And I have to go out in this to smoke. I'm telling you, it's a crazy life. My guess, we've had over 6 or 7 inches so far, at least. You can barely see the van. I can tell you, 25 minutes ago, those swells were not flooded like that. Now, boy oh boy, they are. It's getting closer. In fact, right now it's 5:21 Eastern Standard Time. And it's Saturday, August 27th. Or should be 27th. I'll tell you one thing. I would not want to be stuck out there as a homeless person. I mean, I can put up with rain, but I cannot put up with, having to put up with wind and rain at the same time. Right now it's just, kind of dying off a little, but it's going to strengthen back up. Porch, it's going to stay flooded until I take all of the water and brush it out to the side. More and more strong wind, more and more rain. That's the story of the East Coast, Hurricane Irene.